here's my Puddle pour in neutral metallics. Again, we have the silver, which I love, 14 karat gold FolkArt. We have Artist Loft metallic silver, and we have Artist Loft bronze, and then we have Artist Loft Glow acrylic black. And I've already laid down the puddle, and now we are just going to tilt. And from the weight of my paint, I have a lot on here. A lot. Okay. And again, I apologize, guys, for the view. I'm waiting for my tripod to come in, which will make a huge difference on the view, because then obviously I will be able to position it exactly how I want it. Ooh, guys, this is looking good. This is looking really, really good. Like, gorgeous. Wait till I take you guys down for a close-up. This is actually, if I never mentioned, guys, this is my first puddle pour. So I've never done a puddle pour before. And I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, guys, this is looking great. This is absolutely looking fabulous. Fab. Okay, my hands are drenched. Absolutely drenched. And unfortunately, I'm so messy that I have to remind myself not to walk my hands over the paint. Okay, where's the weight of my paint? It's down here. Okay, hold on one sec, guys. I'm loving the composition so much that I'm just taking a little bit of scrap paint that just fell down, or I don't know if I should really call it scrap paint, and spreading it around a little bit more here. Because I am loving, absolutely loving this composition. Oh, guys, it looks so good. It looks so good. Okay. Let's get that corner since we're over there. Because I'm pretty sure. Ooh, it's kind of out of here. Oh, yeah, my hands are drenched. Oh, and I did just what I didn't want to do. My hand dripped over the top. There. A little fix. Okay, we're going to go down now. Sorry, guys, again. Makes it very hard for you to see here. But I promise I will take you in to see this beauty once she's done. She is slow moving, and I thought that I had my paints a lot thinner than what I do. But that's okay, because it's allowing me to keep these beautiful lines. Okay, we want to go back to center here. Again, I apologize, guys. A lot of my tilting is vertical. I love vertical canvases and I love vertical compositions. And although this is a puddle pour, so it can literally be put any way, I'm just so used to tilting that way. So I have a lot of paint on my hands. So I'm sorry it makes it hard for you guys to see. It's absolutely stunning. absolutely stunning. And I think I'm pretty well done here. Yeah, I'm just about done. Just gonna bring, that's what happens. I usually use my push pins, and sometimes I use the cups, but honestly, the cups drive me crazy because if you're not super careful or you get too much paint, or even if you are, it is just too easy to knock these over. And there's many times where I've taken the time to tape the back of my canvas and I've knocked them over like I've just done. And then I go to pick it up and unfortunately, did I do that? Oh my. And unfortunately, I end up hitting it and it makes a mark on the bottom of my canvas, which for many people isn't a big deal. For me, it was quite annoying. I just need to take a little bit more off this left corner here on the bottom. The paint is moving slow and I'm starting to ruin some of my lines, although I still really love it. I'm going to bring my paint back down here, slowly moving back to center. I'll flip the canvas around now and try not to get any paint on the canvas. Oh. Some touch-ups here. I definitely had enough paint. The problem was it was a little too thick. Because I like the composition, I really don't want to tilt it anymore. So I'm just going to add to it. And I didn't forget to torch, if that's what you're thinking. I am torching this baby. See what else I could get out of it. But right now, oh yeah. Yes. I am loving it. Okay, here is the finished result of my first puddle pour on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I just stuck her up on the wall for you guys to see. I really like it. Those elves are really cool. And then the color blend here, and the sharpness of the lines. No, it's bronze. I can swear to you guys that if you're loving this on camera, you definitely would be loving it in person, because it does no justice to it. How shiny and bright. I love my Liquitex Gloss medium. Look at that. And this is at night, guys. I have like 3 lights in here. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. If you guys love it as much as I do. And I will see you in part 4 of the Metallics in Motion series. Thank you. Bye.